Ang nakaraan sa Beauty Empire.
You still didn't keep your promise.
She was weak. I didn't pay. No. She needed me. She needed me so much. I'm so sorry. Just leave. Nobody's gonna. Because you betrayed me. You lied to me.
Malungkot yung bunso ko. Nag-aalala ako. Alam mo matatag yung anak ko, pero parang ang bigat-bigat ng pasan niya, Helena. Ang bigat-bigat ng pasan ni Noreen.
Sherry? Did you conspire to kill my wife?
Hindi totoong patay si Velma Maria.
What?
They got me so frustrated. Thinking I can't make it. All the efforts that I put out, my ideas just get shut down. It's a shame dying, mananagot kayo. Tuwing oras ng ambagan, ang mundo ko'y kagandahan, baby.
We just killed her para maturo ka na pumatay sa kanya. Pero dahil sobrang galing ng Noreen na yan, pumalpak siya. And here we are.
I want to know everything.
You asked too many questions. In the absence of any offer, Mr. Maria.
Of course, how can I forget? Lahat ng katotohanan may presyo. It's done. 15 million in your account. Nang kung kulang pa yan, I'm ready to give you 100 million more. That should be enough to help you start a new brand and you'll be fine.
Kulang pa yan.
How much?
You know, I don't actually need your money. How can I make sure na hindi mo ako babaliktarin? Or worse, papatayin?
Now we're talking. What if I told you that I had something I could give you? Help you trust me a little bit more. That's right. I killed Helena. Now you know my secret. I'm entrusting you with it. It should be enough, right?
Matapang ka. I already betrayed Noreen. How can you make sure that I'm not going to betray you?
You don't really have a choice. Because I'm your only ally in this. You only have me. There's no one else.
Well then, done deal. You will know everything. Just make sure na mapapagsakin mo sila.
Pababaksakin natin sila. You're free. I killed Helena. Now you know my secret.
O Jana ha, dahil hit na hit ka sa mga beauty ka-parlorers, isang special talent nga dyan.
Ay, marami ako niyan. I can dance, I can act, I can sing.
Well, I'm sure you can. O sige, sample.
Wait!
Oh.
Mga beshi! May pumasok na balita. Look!
Napalaya na sa kulungan si Shari De Jesus pagkatapos lumabas ang murder weapon na di umano ay kumitil sa buhay ng CEO na si Velma Imperial. Ayon sa mga otoridad, ay walang fingerprints ni Shari De Jesus sa murder weapon, kaya naabsuelto na ang online influencer.
OMG!
Freaking G!
Lekat ka!
Hello?
What the hell? Is this for real?
Hindi ko rin alam, Miss Velma.
Mainit-init pa to! Sa pagmamahalan nyo ng jowa ninyo!
This is messier than Jana's makeup.
Ay, pasmado yung bibig mo, bes!
Wait lang, look!
Sa isang panayam sa telepono ay ipinagtanggol din ni Eddie Imperial, asawa ng biktima, si Shari De Jesus, at sinabing hindi siya naniniwalang magagawa ni De Jesus ang nasabing krimen. Ayon pa sa kanya, ay mag-ina ang turing ni Shari De Jesus at Velma Imperial sa isa't isa at nagmamahalan. Ayon din kay Mr. Imperial, ay magkasama nilang haharapin ni De Jesus sa korte ang sino mang tunay na salarin sa oras na matukoy kung sino ito.